National pop star Rihanna's tweet and that of climate activist teenager Greta Thunberg's tweet has evoked a lot of other responses from many other celebrities also now coming out and putting out their opinion on Twitter. Human rights activists and groups have come out in support. Prominent among them are 9-year-old Indian activist Lichi Priya and Ugandan climate activist Vanessa Nakate and international media personality Mia Khalifa, all coming out and speaking in favor of the farmers' protest. Even author and niece of US Vice President Kamala Harris, Meena Harris, has tweeted alleging that there is paramilitary violence against the farmers. Pop star Rihanna tweeted earlier asking why no one is talking about the farmers' stir. Rihanna has over 100 million followers worldwide. Meanwhile, Ministry of External Affairs has also now reacted to the series of Twitter posts that I just quoted. The MEA has condemned remarks by foreign personalities and groups over farmers' protests in India, terming them as unfortunate and sensationalist. In a statement, the government said that the comments made are neither accurate nor responsible. The ministry further added that before commenting on the farmers' protest, they must gain a proper understanding of the issue at hand.
Lengthy statement over the kind of reactions that have been coming in, and overnight it seems that the farmers' protest has garnered global attention at this point in time. So essentially, MEA has said that it talks about, first starts with talking about the benefits of the farm laws and how farmers will benefit from the implementation of these laws, and then goes on to talk about how vested interest groups are trying to push their agenda, and that the farmers' stir derailment, these attempts to derail the farmers' stirs, one of them was witnessed on the 26th of January. And those attempts are still continuing, and also attempts being made to mobilize international support against India. This is what the MEA has also pointed out, and also then talks about how the Indian police forces have handled the protests with utmost restraint, and people shouldn't jump to conclusions about what's happening, and that the efforts are on by the government to resolve the impasse with the farmers. So MEA sort of explaining all of that as well, and then also pointing out in response directly to all the tweets that have been coming in that before commenting, facts must be ascertained, the issue must be understood and only then commented upon. And also the fact that these kind of sensationalist comments that celebrities make, are not accurate, and they should really be looked into and understood before making these kind of comments. So this is really essentially what the Ministry of External Affairs has said.